Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the acidity of phenol. As we know that phenol having a structure where benzene is attached with OH group, this H is donated by phenol to give a phenoxide ion. The stability of phenoxide ion will tell about the strength of the acid. The more the stability of the phenoxide ion, the stronger will be the phenol. Further, we will discuss that this phenoxide ion that is released after the removal of proton, this phenoxide ion is highly stable than a phenol because this phenoxide ion having a resonating structures where the charge is moving from the different positions, that is ortho position, then goes towards para position, then go towards further ortho position. So we can say that phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol, so that phenol easily donates a proton. So we say that the phenol is a strong acid. Further, the effect of substituent on the acidity of phenol, we know that the substituent groups is of two types. One is called as a electron withdrawing group, while other is called as a electron donating group. Further, we will discuss about the effect of the electron withdrawing group. The electron withdrawing group is that group which withdraw the electron towards itself from the ring. This electron withdrawing group is of further types. These are a nitro group, nitrile group, carboxylic acid group, aldehyde group. Further, we can say that when the electron withdrawing group is attached with the phenol, the phenoxide ion will get stable because this electron withdrawing group withdraw electrons from the ring towards itself, which will decrease the negative charge, which increase the stability. As the stability of phenoxide ion increase, the reaction will be more forward and it easily donates a proton. So we can say that acidity will increase. So the effect is that if the electron withdrawing group such as nitro, nitrile, carboxylic or aldehyde group is attached, the acidity of the phenol will increase. Now the effect is for electron donating group. The electron donating groups are that group which will donate its electron towards the ring. It donates the electron far away from itself and it gives the electrons to the ring. These electron donating groups or releasing groups are amine group, alkyl groups, alkoxy group or OH group. As these groups donates its electron towards ring, that increases the negative charge. As the charge, we know that charge is inversely proportional to the stability. As charge increases, the stability will decrease. As the stability decreases, this reaction will get a backward, so the proton cannot be easily donated. So we can say that this acidity is decreased. So this is the effect of the substituent on the acidity of phenol. We can say that if there is an electron